The sun actually makes a sound. It might seem surprising, but the sun vibrates, creating sound waves in the form of pressure waves. These waves ripple through the sun's hot gases, much like how sound waves travel through air on Earth. But here's the mind-blowing part. The wavelength of these pressure waves is measured in hundreds of miles, so massive that they're far beyond what human ears can detect. Imagine a wave so long that it stretches across entire countries. That's the sound of the sun. These sound waves help scientists study the sun's interior, like a doctor using ultrasound to see inside the human body. So, even though we can't hear the sun's song, the sun is constantly singing, but its melody is one we'll never hear. Isn't that fascinating? If you enjoyed this fact, hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science.